Understanding IoT Deployment, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting and increasingly relevant topic in the world of technology: IoT deployment. IoT, or the Internet of Things, refers to the vast network of devices connected to the Internet, sharing data and insights. This video aims to explain what IoT deployment is and why it's important, in a way that's easy for English language learners to understand. Before we delve into IoT deployment, let's understand what IoT is. IoT, or the Internet of Things, refers to a network of physical devices that are connected to the Internet. These can be everyday objects like smartphones, home appliances, and even cars. These devices collect and share data, making our lives more connected and efficient. Now, let's talk about deployment. In the context of IoT, deployment refers to the process of setting up IoT devices and systems in a particular environment. This could mean installing smart sensors in a factory, setting up smart home devices, or integrating IoT technology into urban infrastructure. Why is IoT deployment important? It's because through deploying IoT devices, we can gather valuable data and gain insights that can improve efficiency, safety, and convenience in various aspects of life. For instance, in a smart city, IoT deployment can help in managing traffic flow, monitoring environmental conditions, and enhancing public safety. However, IoT deployment isn't without its challenges. It involves considerations like security, privacy, and the integration of different technologies. It's important for IoT deployments to be well planned and secure to protect the data and the functioning of the devices. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of IoT deployment. It's a fascinating area that combines technology, innovation, and practical application to improve various aspects of our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been an enlightening journey into the world of IoT for you.